In this video, I'll show you how RCS chat works on 100 and I also use RCS chat. You can see I have two different 100 devices. So if I should start chatting here and I tap RCS chat on 100, this is what I type, RCS chat on 100. Then you should see typing here. So if I go ahead and hit the send button, it's a RCS chat on 100, then I have RCS chat on 100 as well here. So this is completely free. So here I'm going to show you how to set up and use RCS chat on any 100 phone. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to know is the RCS chat works on all Android devices, and this is a Samsung phone, Samsung Galaxy A54, and this is a Redmi phone, that is Redmi Note 12. So, and I've been using RSS chat on these 200 devices for quite a couple of days now. So the chat is free, and all you just need to do is set up the RSS chat on your 100 phone. Now, without wasting your time, when you want to use RCS chat on any 100 phone, you need to switch the messaging app to the Google messaging app. That's compulsory. Here you see this is the Google messaging app on my Samsung phone, and then I have the Google messaging app on this Redmi Note. So if you're using 100, you need to switch from the Samsung messaging app to the 100 and then set this as default. How do you do this? Just come here and search for message. Then this is the Samsung messaging app. If you click on this, this is going to prompt you to switch from the Google default messaging app to the Samsung. Otherwise, you're not able to use the Samsung messaging app. So in this case, since we're interested in how you to use the RCS chat on your 100 phone, you need to make sure you only use the Google Messages app. So set that as default. Then on your other 100 phone or your colleague's 100 phone, where you want to use RCS chat, make sure you also use the Google Messaging app. So after that, launch the Google Messaging app like this, and then click on the profile icon at the top right. This the same thing on the Samsung device or your second phone. So the process is similar. So I'm going to use this on Samsung. Then click on this profile icon, come down and click on Messages Settings. Then you should see RCS chat under Messages Settings. Click on that. Then in your own case, this is going to be disabled like this, and this is literally for all 100 devices once you open the Google Messages app. Now turn on RCS chat like this. Then you should see setting up, and this is going to try to verify your RCS chat mobile number. You can just go ahead and click on verify phone number and then type in your phone number. However, you may just hit the back button and come back after a couple of seconds, and before you know it, your RCS chat will be verified and you'll be connected. That's it. So my status is connected. So the same thing applicable on this Redmi device. So all you just need to do again is open the messaging app, click on profile, then click on messages settings, select general, then just locate RCS chat, click on that, and you should see your RCS connected here. This is the phone number. If this is disabled, let's say you turn off RCS, this is what you're going to see. Then go ahead and click on turn on RCS chat on this Redmi Note device. This works on all Android, including Oppo or Realme and other devices you have. Just turn this on. Then you'll be prompted to verify your phone number as well, just like you did on Samsung. Go ahead and do that. Then you'll be prompted to type in your phone number if the need arise. Type in the phone number, or better still, skip for now, then come back. After a couple of seconds, you'll see your mobile number verified. So, and once you've been verified, you'll be able to use the RCS chat. And here, always turn on use Wi-Fi or data for messaging when available. And at the same time, scroll down to automatically resend as text message. That is, if you do not have internet access, your messages will be resent as SMS. So turn this on, allow, there you go. Then once the RCS has been activated, you can just open your chat using your phone and then start chatting with anyone using RCS on their device. How do you know someone is using RCS? Just hit this. Then in the message box, just like this, you are going to see RCS message. You see that? So instead of SMS or MMS, we have RCS message, and that is to tell you this user enables RCS. However, if you open other messaging account, then you should see text message here. So this is to tell you that this user is not using RCS on his or her 100 phone. So this mobile number needs to activate or turn on RCS chat before this text message can easily change to RCS. Now, once you can find out that a friend is using RCS just like this, then go ahead and type any message. I'm going to type this is RCS chat on 100 and how to use it. Now, this is completely free, and you can see the RCS chat is encrypted. That's why you see this lock. Then this recipient, after activating the RCS chat in his or her phone, will receive the message as a normal message, and it is going to be completely free. So now on my second device, you can see RCS chat is now connected. If I come back to the messages here, you can see I am typing, shows I am typing. You see that? So RCS chat on 100. And that was what I wrote here, RCS chat on 100. Then if I hit the back button, it's going to stop showing I am typing. So just like your WhatsApp did, RCS chat can easily show when someone is typing on his or her phone. So this way you can easily enable RCS chat on 100 phone and how to use it without paying a dime. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.